Welcome to the online classes of Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School for class 2nd. Today we are discuss about our earth from EVS book of Cordova. It is your chapter number 21. Beta, let's read out about our earth. So our earth, we call our earth as our home because we live here, all the animals, plants, and we all live here. So we call it our home. Our earth is like a big ball. How do we know that? Some people have taken photographs of the earth from the moon. The first man to land on the moon was Neil Armstrong from America. So, one such photograph is given alongside here. The earth looks like a big ball. So, the shape of the earth is round, like a ball. Globe. What is a globe? Globe is a model of the earth. Our teachers and we are use the globe to explain our earth. Because the bluish part shows water and the yellowish part or the greenish part shows land. So our earth is made up of two parts, number one water and number two land. On our earth, 3/4 part is covered with water and 1/4 part is covered with land. So land covers a small part of the earth. Our earth is surrounded by air. So this air covers the earth like a blanket. Okay? And blanket of air, this is called the atmosphere. Land, water and air are necessary for life. So beta, remember the life is only on our earth because here is water, air and sunlight. So come to the next slide. Land. So let's know about the landforms beta. Because our earth is made of land and water. So firstly we will read about the landforms. So what are the landforms? The surface of land is not same everywhere. Here somewhere there is a high and somewhere there is a low level. So when there is it is low at the level at some places and high at the other places. So number one, plain. What is a plain? So beta, we are live on plain and the plain surface, the land that is a flat like a playground. जैसे हम playground में play करते हैं बेटा, the surface is flat. So the flat land is called a plain. Most people live and farmers grow crops on the plain. Number two, hills. So the higher part or the land that is very high, that is called a hill. Hills are not as hot as the plains. On the plains it is very hot, but on the hills it is not so hot. So we visit on the hills during the summers to keep ourselves cool beta. So Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world. So come to the next mountain. Very high hills are called mountains. The upper part of the mountains are covered with snow. In summer, the snow melts and forms rivers. Beta, during summer season, with the hot of the sun, the snow on the high mountains is melt and it is formed in the rivers. Next is desert. It is a part of a landform also beta. Some parts of the earth are covered with sand like this. Okay, so the sandy land is called a desert. And who is the sheep of the desert? Camels. Camels are called the sheep of the desert because camels are move on the sand very easily. Next is beta valleys. Valleys are the low land between the two hills or the two mountains. Okay, a valley has a very fertile, and look here, this is the land of the valley is very fertile with the soil. Flat an island is a piece of land with water on the all sides. Look at that is called an island. It is covered with water. All sides it is covered with water. So we call it island. Australia is the biggest island in the world. What is the biggest island in the world, beta? Australia is the biggest island in the world. So that is called plateau. What is a plateau, beta? It is called a tableland. Like a table कैसे होती है बेटा? वो high होती है, but जो उसका surface होता है वो कैसा होता है बेटा? Flat होता है. So look here, that is a high level land, but the top is flat. So that is called a plateau. Tibetan Plateau is the biggest plateau in the world. What is the biggest plateau in the world? Tibetan Plateau is the biggest plateau in the world. Come to the next slide, beta. Now we will read about the water bodies. Okay? So 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. Like, what are the water bodies? Streams, rivers, lakes, ponds, seas, oceans are the water bodies. Sea water is salty because it has minerals and have reached it through the rivers. So, a lake. This is a lake. A lake is a large body of fresh and salty water. जो लेक का वाटर बेटा salty भी हो सकता है और fresh भी. Okay? And it is surrounded by land. A land is surrounded by, a lake is surrounded by land. Next is sea. Sea is a large body of water. जो sea होता है वो large body होती है बेटा. और जो lake होती है उसकी जो वो body होती है वो small body of water होता है. Sea water is very salty. We cannot drink it. It is not fit for drinking because it is very salty and it contains minerals. And ocean is a large body of water. That is the bigger than the sea. Ocean is bigger than the sea. There are 5 major oceans on the earth, and Indian Ocean is the largest ocean in our India, in the world beta. Next is river. River is a big channel of flowing water. Okay? जो river का water होता है बेटा वो कभी ठहरा नहीं होता. That is a flowing. It is in the flowing form. We know that the snow on the mountains melt and forms the river. During the summers, the snow on the mountains it is melt and it is formed in the streams. And when the streams are meet at the point, that is in the form of rivers. It is a flowing channel. Channel of flowing water beta. Humans have brought many changes on the earth. जो हम लोग humans हैं हमने क्या किया बेटा अपनी comfortable life के लिए हमने क्या किए इस अर्थ पे बहुत सारे changes कर दिए. हमने वहाँ क्या क्या बना दिए? We have built buildings, factories, roads, dams and bridges on the earth. So come to the next slide beta. Humans are also responsible for putting harmful things in the air, water and land. हमने अपनी comfortability के हिसाब से बेटा यहाँ पर जो डैम्स, लैंड्स और जो ब्रिजेस, रोड्स काट दिए तो हमने क्या किया? हमने एक ऐसे अपनी जो लैंड को बहुत सारे क्या दे दिए बेटा? हार्मफुल थिंग्स दे दी. In this way we are making the earth dirty. We must keep our earth green and beautiful. So we should keep our earth green. We should plant more and earth clean. And we must take care of it. Earth is our home, so we must thank the earth for giving us a beautiful place to live. Okay, so we should not make dirty and we should plant more and more trees to make it green and clean. So do you know when we celebrate the Earth Day? So we celebrate the World Earth Day on April 22 every year. So friends, you have to read this chapter and clear all the facts from this chapter about our earth, and I am providing here is a worksheet beta. So you have to solve this worksheet with the help of the video. Look here beta. Okay students. So students, you have to watch this video carefully. I have also a worksheet provided for you. You have to watch this video to solve the worksheet. So students, you have to share, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.